likely that you are carrying or using an information system. This is so if you had an advanced mobile phone, a handheld electronic device, or a laptop computer. Information systems pervade almost every aspect of our life, whether you are withdrawing money from a bank's automatic teller machine or surfing the web on your cell phone. Hardly a day goes by without our feeding data into it or using information generated by an information system. In business especially, additional information systems generate most of the information we use. The systems have become essential to successful business operations. Now, to better understand information systems, let's get started. We use the words data, information, and system almost daily. Understanding what these terms mean, both generally and in business context, is necessary if you are to use information effectively in your career. The terms data and information do not mean the same thing. The word data is derived from the Latin datum, literally a given or fact, which might take the form of a number, a statement, or a picture. Data is the raw material in the production of information. Information, on the other hand, is facts or conclusions that have meaning within a context. Raw data is rarely meaningful or useful as information. To become information, data is manipulated through tabulation, statistical analysis, or any other operation that leads to greater understanding of a situation. To be useful, information must be relevant. Information must pertain to the problem at hand. Complete, partial information is often worse than no information. Accurate, erroneous information might lead to disastrous decisions. Current, decisions are often based on the latest information available, but what was a fact yesterday might not no longer be one today. And economical. In a business setting, the cost of obtaining information must be considered as one cost element involved in any decision. A system is an area of components that work together to achieve a common goal, a multiple goals by accepting input, processing it, and producing output in an organized manner. With an understanding of the terms information and system, the definition of an information system is almost intuitive. An information system, or IS, consists of all the components that work together to process data and produce information. In an organization, an information system consists of data, an input that the system takes to produce information. Software, sets of instructions to tell the computer how to take data in, how to process it, how to display information, and how to store data and information. Telecommunications, hardware and software that facilitate fast transmission and reception of text, pictures, sound, and animation in the form of electronic device. People, information systems professionals and users who analyze organizational information needs, design and construct information systems, write computer programs, and operate the hardware and maintain software. Procedures, rules for achieving optimal and secure operations in data processing. Procedures include priorities in dispensing software applications and security measures. Business enterprises differ in their objectives, structure, interests, and approaches. However, IS can be generally categorized based on the level of the system's complexity and the type of functions it serves. Transaction processing systems are the most widely used information systems. The predominant function of TPS is to record data collected at the boundaries of organizations. In other words, at the point where the organization transacts business with other parties. They also record many of the transactions that takes place inside an organization. For example, they record the movement of parts from one phase of manufacturing to another, from raw materials to finished products. TPS include POS machines, which record sales, automatic teller machines, which record cash withdrawals, deposits and transfers, and purchase order systems, which record purchases. A typical example would be the purchase of a gasoline at a pump using a credit card. The purchase is to record by the gasoline company and the later at the credit card processing bank. After these data elements are collected, the IS can automatically process the data immediately and store it for later access on demand. Transaction processing systems provide most of the data in organizations for further processing by other IS.
Understand about information systems.
Information system is, is an organized system. Collection of data, storage of data.
Information system. Information system is any organized system for the collection, organization, storage, and communication of information. More specifically, it is the study of complementary networks of the people and organization used to collect, filter, process, create, and distribute data. A computer information system, or IC, IS, is a system composed of people and computers that process or interprets computers. That term is also sometimes used in more restricted sense to refer to only the software used to run a computerized database, or to refer to only a computer system. Information system is an academic study of systems with a specific reference to information and complementary networks of hardware and software that people and organization use to collect, filter, process, create, and also distribute data. And emphasis is placed on information system having a definitive boundary and users, processors, storage inputs, outputs, and aforementioned communication networks. That's all.
It is useful to compare MIS to some of the other fields related to information technology. Here, we are going to compare MIS to CS, or called as computer science, which is both computer-related programs. MIS focuses on organization, while CS on software. The objective of MIS is it is more efficient or effective in business, while CS is a reliable computer program. The core skill of MIS is problem solving, while CS is logic or procedure. The core task of MIS determine business requirements for information systems, while CS deliver information systems to meet defined requirements. Both of these are grade majors. However, MIS is the only major that focuses on both business processes and information technology.
Management Information System, or MIS, is the study of people, technology, and organizations. If you enjoy technology like iPhones, iPods, and Facebook, you have what it takes to major in information system. All you need is an interest in technology and the desire to use technology to improve people's lives. Many people think that MIS is all programming. However, programming is just a small part of our curriculum, and there are many jobs in MIS where you do not program. Everyone who works in business, from someone who pays the bills to the person who hires and fires, uses information system. For example, a supermarket could use a computer database to keep track of which products sells best. And a music store could use a database to sell CDs over the internet. Information isn't worth much if it doesn't serve a purpose. MIS students learn how businesses use information to improve the company's operations. Students also learn how to manage various information systems so that they best serves the needs of managers, staff, and customers. MIS students learn how to create systems for finding and storing data, and they learn about computer databases, networks, computer security, and a lot more.